In this video, I'll create a complete ad set for this product and another full ad set for a home cleaning service, all in just minutes. And the best part, I'll do it using only one tool and one dashboard. First, head over to SodaMarketing AI and create your account. From the dashboard, click Create New, then click Create Brand to set up your brand. Add your brand info, upload your logo, and that's it. Now, I need to create an ad profile. Since I'm making an ad set for a physical product, I'll select Add Product. Enter the product name, upload some photos, and click Train AI Model. This step is only done once, and from now on, I can generate endless ads for this product without re-uploading images. Now click Create Ad Set. Let's start with the on-brand designed ad. I'll keep everything on default and click Generate. In minutes, SodaMarketing AI will come up with creative ad ideas designed to convert, fully tailored to my brand. While the ads are generating, let's create a photo shoot. I'll select the photo size, and you'll see 4 options: Quick, Prompting, Reimagine, and Advanced. For now, I'll use Quick. Choose a concept. Click Generate, and done. Let's check the on-designed ads. Here we go, a creative ad ideas designed to convert. Fully tailored to my brand, generated in minutes, with multiple design ideas and multiple variations. Now let's go back and see the photo shoot we were generating. Here we go. A professional scroll-stopping photo shoot. No cameras, no brainstorming, no prompts, just results. Perfect for social media content or ads. Now let's convert it into a video. Just hover over the image and click the video icon. Then type here any idea you have in mind. Then click Generate. And here we go. A brand new eye-catching video ready to use as an ad or on social media. Now let's generate more on-brand ads, but this time with a different size. I'll also add a custom message. 20% off limited time offer. And I'll describe a specific idea for the main visual. Click Generate, and here we go. A fresh batch of new, stunning ads. But here's where it gets mind-blowing. All these ads are editable down to the layer level. Click the edit icon, drag, drop, and tweak anything instantly. No Photoshop required. Now let's try the Reimagine feature. This lets me take any winning ad I've seen online and instantly adapt it for my product. For example, I'll search for skincare ads on Pinterest. Here's one I like. Looks creative. I'll download it, upload it into SodaMarketing, and click Generate. And here we go. A new photo shoot that looks similar to the reference ad, but now featuring my product. And yes, I can convert it into a video instantly too. Back to the on-brand ads. This time, I'll generate a video ad, add my custom message, describe the visual, and click Generate. And here it is, another scroll-stopping ads. Now I'll click the video icon, add my idea, and generate. And just like that, a stunning video ad, launch ready. But what if you're selling a service instead of a product? No problem, same exact steps. Click Create New, set up your brand, then in Ad Profile, select Ad Service. Type the service name, description, click Train AI Model, and then create Ad Set. Leave the defaults, click Generate, and here we go. Scroll-stopping ads for a home cleaning service, created in minutes. Everything is clean, polished, and error-free. And yes, if you want a video, just click the video icon and convert instantly. No designers, no video editors, no wasted weeks switching between tools, no struggling with templates, just one dashboard, one tool. Dozens of ads, image ads, video ads, photo shoots, captions, all created in minutes. Try SodaMarketing AI today and start launching ads that actually convert.